Action Society is today at Strand Regional Court. We're here for the murder case of Nadia Lotz. Now, in March 2023, Nadia Lotz was killed by her then boyfriend, allegedly. She was in a car, he was in a vehicle with her, he moved forward and he slit her throat. So today, what was supposed to happen today was arguments. Yesterday, we saw Charles Apollos taking the stand. He basically gave his version of events. The prosecutor as well as the defense had the opportunity to question him regarding his version of events, and today it was due for arguments. We are at court today, and yet again the case has been postponed because the defense has indicated that she is not ready for arguments and she needs to be more prepared in order for her to do the arguments. As Action Society, this is extremely disappointing. The family is outside with me, extremely frustrated because yet again they expected some movement in the case, and it's just a postponement. So what we're going to do is we're going to speak to the family of Nadia Lotz in frustration for today's event. So Sylvia is the cousin of Nadia Lotz. Sylvia has been at court this time almost for 3 years. Sylvia, she's been here from the very beginning, attending court cases. Sylvia, today we heard that the matter has been postponed because the defense is not here. How do you think about it?
Kailan aan alleen Afrikaans. Ek is met Charles Apollos, want Charles Apollos het meer regte as wat Nadia gehad het. Wat van Nadia se lewe? Hulle kom aan in die hof en hulle staan daar 2 minute en is dit lekker, sê die lawyer, I'm not ready, and what? Dan is het uitgestel. It's been postponed to when? To the 30th. I'm not going to be here. I'm not going to come. They're wasting our time, they're wasting our money. We must be at work, but we must come stand here. For him to come here on his vacation for the day, he goes out from Portsmouth to come here, and just the lawyer say, I'm not ready. But last year they gave us this date for today. We must be here the 19th and the 20th. What happened to the 19th and the 20th? It was not fair, man. I'm fed up with Charles Apollos.
So the matter has been postponed to the 30th of January, and that is for arguments.